Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys alternative download formats for files within Canvas. So, from the dashboard, go to a class where downloads are available. Go over to the Assignments tab or Modules wherever the download file is located. From there, select the assignment or module. Then you'll be brought to this screen, where you can download it directly just by clicking on the highlighted line. To access alternative download formats, you can either click on this button, go down to Alternative Formats, or up at the title, select the A with the download button right here. I'm going to be using this method. From here are the different formats aside from the Documents file to download. There are tag PDFs for assistive technology, HTML to view it in the browser, EPUB for reading it on ebooks, electronic braille for the blind, audio download if you wish to listen to it on audio or for the deaf, Beeline Reader, which I will explain further in just a moment, and translated versions translated to many different languages, as you can see by the scroll bar. Once you've selected the format you'd like to download, select Download, and then you'll be able to save it on your machine. Now here's a little tutorial on Beeline. So I'm just going to select it, download, open with Firefox, my current browser, open it up, and I'll be brought here. So even though this is a rubric and is designed to be sectioned off, see that as the line progresses through, it changes colors. The purpose of this is to help people that have trouble focusing while reading, or those with attention deficit disorders, to focus while reading and retain the information more, with a variety of different colors and transitions to make people focus. From the blue to white, the dark blue to dark red, a completely blue going from blue to purple, all grays, or, and I know some will enjoy this, dark mode. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.